Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Natalie, the Edtech Wizard. Welcome back to my channel. On my channel here you will find videos on tips and tricks on how to help you become the best online teacher you can be. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and let's get started. In today's video we are going to learn how to add the Nearpod add-on in Google Slides. Nearpod is a fantastic tool, whether you're an online teacher or a brick and mortar teacher. It allows you to keep your students engaged with your slides, with your lessons, with your presentation. So if you want to learn more about Nearpod and what it is, how to use it, I have some videos for you, Nearpod tutorial videos. And if you would like to learn more how to use the Google add-on for Nearpod, I have a video for you as well. So be sure to check those out. So how to add the add-on in Nearpod. Let's go. First, you need to have a Google account and sign in to Slides. So let's go there. Once you're in Google Slides, it will look like this, and you need to find the add-on button, and that is right here. You're going to click on it and get add-ons, and here you're going to search for Nearpod, and it is actually right here. The first one popped up, so click on that and then click install and then continue. Now nothing happened. It did not install because I still have this blue button here that says install, so it did not install. So what you do once you get to this point, because it didn't work, you need to go to Nearpod and log in with your account. You need to log in with your Google, That way the Google add-on can be linked with your Google account in Nearpod. So now I'm logged in to Nearpod. I'm going to go back to Google Slides and I'm going to try it again. Add-on, get add-ons, click install, continue. Now because I have Nearpod open up and I'm logged in with my Google account, it will work for me. Da 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 da. And click done, and now I have the blue button that says uninstall. That means it works. I have Nearpod installed. So if you go to add-ons, now my Nearpod button is there. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to add Nearpod, the Google add-on for Nearpod, to your Google Slides, and from there you can work your magic. Again, if you want to learn how to use the Google add-on, I have another video for you, as well as what is Nearpod and a Nearpod tutorial for the actual Nearpod site. So go check those out and have a wonderful day. See you next time.